Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting where it matters, storage overview. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud to see total and per app usage so you know what to target. Next, stop inflating storage, go to Manage Backups and disable backups from old or unused devices. This frees immediate space. Finally, turn off iCloud Drive Sync for apps that don't need cloud copies. This prevents new files from uploading while you clean up. Once done, you'll have a clear map of what to remove next. Now you clean the content that's actually occupying space. Open the Files app and select iCloud Drive. Sort by size or date modified so big, old items appear first. This is the fastest win. Delete duplicates, archived projects, and large media files that you no longer need. For bulk deletes, use Select and Swipe. After removal, open Recently Deleted in both Files and Photos and permanently delete those items so the space is reclaimed. Finish by polishing settings and confirming the freed space. Go to Settings, iCloud Manage Storage to review app data. Offload or delete large app backups and documents. If you still need space for active work, consider reducing backup frequency or upgrading to iCloud Plus. It's faster than constant pruning. If your available storage doesn't update, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, or restart the iPad to force a quota refresh. If problems persist, contact Apple support with the specific app name and file sizes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.